Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are doing well. Please take a look at this version 1.3. I try my best to make sure that all the formulas are now working correctly. There are some of the options that I remain blank. I made it blank so that we can upgrade it in future. So you can use uh, one filter at a time because both of them may conflict with each other. So let's say if you want to choose the weeks, you can just select any week you want, if you want, and you can just filter out the weeks as well. If you want to select a month, you can just select any month and filter out the months. So now these sales will represent the selected months. These sale and cost of goods sold will represent the selected month. I hope this works out for you. So if you want to check if what is the average margin for the current week, you can just select that week and then you can have the average margin for that week. Uh, Also, the cost of goods sold and the sales can be seen as a percentage of 100. And you can also filter them out by the week. Uh, Now let's go back to the dashboard database. So in your database, I try my best to make sure that you have the right uh, indications here as well. For example, the sales um, column will have the bars in it to show which day has more sales. So, and the profit markups and scrap markups will also show the positive and negative indications. Further, I try my best to make sure that the formulas will be correct. So please take a look and let me know if all of them are presenting the right number. But I can see that you are just inputting the total FX rate and the total sales. Other than that, gram sold and the bought price. But the other things, some of the things are actually uh, input by the user. So I think we should improve some of the things from the scratch section as well into our user form. So let go back to the user form where you can see the today's date will automatically update. And if you want to change it, you can just change it by the selecting it from the calendar. Secondly, once you write down the things, it will it will be inserted uh, into the sheet. But let's say if you don't want to enter the gold rate for today's, you can just select the yesterday's date and it will automatically select the previous day gold gold rates. Let's say if we have something else in it, and when I try to select the gold rate, it will just pick up the very first one, very latest one from the list. So let's say if you select the date way beyond this one and if you select it again, then it will move on to the previous dates. So that is to give you the idea what is going on there when you check the this is. So as you can see, the 31st May, it will search back from that date. Uh, of, this will give you the idea what's going on here. So when you press the submit button, it will just update uh, the sheet. Let me know if you see anything that is not necessary or want to update on it. Just let me know. Thanks.